frying breast fillet. Itong breast fillet na to is actually a breast. Then, i-remove ko yung fillet kasi mas cheaper siya than buying the breast fillet itself. Ito yung half niya, naluto ko na. Pala, yung butter niya, nilagyan ko siya ng parsley, a little bit of dried garlic, coarse pepper, here, pink salt. Use this all-purpose flour, them together, and use 1 egg. For the sauce, I'll be using the Kikkoman stir-fry orange sauce. Ready to mix na to rin. I have orange there sa freezer kaso, ay sa ref kaso, I prefer using this kasi parang wala nang masyadong juice yung yung orange ko dun. I-transfer ko muna siya here para ma-remove yung excess oil. Tinapon ko na yung excess oil before mixing the orange sauce. Now we have to put it back. And I'm adding this one. It's the finished product. Let's cover muna para save yung init. Then I'll be calling my daughter to taste it.